How expensive do you think my jacket is?
$3,000.
No.
$5,000.
No.
$10,000.
Yes.
Is it really?
Yeah. That's insane.
10 grand.
Yeah. What the? Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Today's video is going to be a vlog, and today's vlog is going to be super fun because tonight I am going to the world premiere of Mary Poppins, which, by the way, was my favorite movie as a child. I think I watched it like 18 times, maybe 20 times since I was like 10 years old. So I'm going to the red carpet for Mary Poppins, and then right afterwards I'm going to a Vogue and Lancome event. Honestly, my butt never gets outside of the house, so today I'm super excited to like look cute, dress up and everything. This morning I went to a PR company's showroom and they gifted me and loaned me some items for tonight's event, and I'm super excited for one of the pieces that I picked out. That's like $10,000. And to borrow this jacket, I had to deposit $1,000 just in case I don't return it or something happens to it. Let me show you guys what I got. The PR company is CLD PR. They're not paying me or anything. I just wanted to show you guys some of the pieces that I grabbed. I grabbed some pieces from a brand called Luxe. Tonight's event is holiday themed, so I wanted to wear some sort of like metallic glitter. I don't think I'm gonna be wearing this tonight, but I figured I could probably wear this for another night. I also grabbed this bralette slash bodysuit piece. I really like it. And then I grabbed some stuff from White Fox Boutique. The showroom didn't have a lot of stuff that was in my size, but I'm so happy they had this because it's super cute. It has like these like white straps that say White Fox on it. And then I believe these are the matching bottoms for it. So it says White Fox down the sides of it. It also has the zipper in the back for you to put your wallet or whatever you need in there. And then I grabbed this little guy. This is a swimsuit from White Fox Boutique as well. This is super cute. And then I grabbed this blue romper slash dress. It looks crazy, but this is kind of what it looks like. It's off the shoulder. So those are the items they gifted me. This is the fancy items that I just don't want to get ruined. So let me show you guys what's inside of this bag. I get to loan this stuff for 1 whole week. There is something fancy that I love about having garment bags. Like, what? This is so fancy. I grabbed 3 things that I loaned because I wasn't sure, just in case it's cold, but holy cow, I cannot wait for you guys to see this jacket. Here is a small piece of this $10,000 jacket. Are you ready to see this? Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? I don't know if you guys are ready. I'm not even ready to see it. I asked the guy and he was like, so a lot of the pieces from this designer is from like $2,000 to like $15,000, but this jacket is definitely in the higher range, he said. And I'm just gonna say like $10,000 to be safe because I don't know if it's $15,000. So the designers that made this is Kosla Johnny. This is the brand where you literally have to call in to see how much things cost because they don't put their prices out online. And this brand is so like up there in couture that you can't buy these pieces. They're like individually made, and the pieces I did find online were like from $6,000 to $14,000. I did see that Galore magazine actually had this inside of their magazine. I'm literally going to be wearing like a $20 dress in this jacket. The most expensive thing I own in my closet that's like a clothing piece is probably like $200, maybe $300 maximum. Are you ready to see this? All right, you guys. 1, 2, 3. What? Oh my god. This thing has feathers all around it. It's made out of these like sequins. I believe these are like hand sewn on or something crazy of that sort. These feathers are beautiful. It has like a green, blue, purple sheen to it. In the light, it's so freaking pretty. It also looks so cool on. It's so fluffy, so beautiful. I'm gonna try to figure out an outfit tonight to wear with this. I don't know. I feel like whatever I wear is not gonna do this piece justice at all. Right now, I need to figure out an outfit to wear with this, but I also need to clean up my closet room, so I figured you guys will go inside my closet room and clean with me. Hello, this is what my closet room looks like right now. Last night, I went through my entire closet trying to figure out clothes I no longer wanted, and this is the pile I made for myself. I don't know if I should sell these. I'm most likely going to donate them because your girl is too lazy to actually take photos of every piece that is in this pile. As of right now, I'm just gonna donate these, but if you guys are curious or want any of these or want me to ship it to you guys, let me know down below. At one point, all of these hangers had clothes on it, so I need to pair these hangers with clothes. So far, I think this bodysuit would actually look really cute with that jacket, but I need to figure out bottoms for it, and I wish I had like hot pants. What do I have in here? I feel like I don't have a lot of black. That is my problem. I don't wear any black, but I feel like maybe this black leather skirt I don't know, I feel like that's not fancy enough either. Or I can wear black leggings with a black bodysuit. So I just put the coat on because I figured you guys would want to know what it looks like on. This is not the outfit for tonight at all, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like because it's so cool. You guys, look how cool I look. This is like the most high-end, fashionable, trendy piece I've ever worn in my entire life. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like I could totally be in a magazine right now. I just need to figure out a good outfit to wear with it because as of right now, I don't have an outfit for it. But your girl needs to take this off, hang it up so it doesn't get ruined, and clean up this room. Alright, a little update here. It has been like 2 minutes. Your girl just changed out of her fancy jacket just because I didn't want to get it ruined. I just wanted to put on another jacket because it's super cold inside my house right now. I can't believe how cold it's getting in LA. Today's actually raining and I was actually shook last night when it started pouring. But if you guys are wondering where this jacket is from, this is from my store, Live and Jess. It is so freaking cute. Like, I think we do actually have some left. I could be completely wrong, but this jacket right now is only $34 on Live and Jess. Actually, all of our jackets are $34 on Live and Jess right now. If you guys didn't check out our Black Friday or Cyber Monday sale, you guys are still in luck because we're still having a different sale right now where literally almost the entire store is online. All of our patches are $2, all of our necklaces are $5, all of our sunglasses are $10, all of our tops, sweaters I believe are $24, and then all of our bottoms and dresses are $29, and literally all of our jackets are $34. Like, these are really good jackets. So I believe this sale is only gonna last until Sunday. So if you guys haven't checked out the Cyber Week sale, then go check it out. It's not Cyber Monday sale, it's a Cyber Week sale. Still a bomb ass sale. Like, I swear it's such a good sale. Yay, I finally did it. I put all of my clothes on hangers. Now all we gotta do is put these guys up here, and I'm a little afraid that they're actually gonna fall down because the other day one of these hangers broke because the weight was so heavy. Alright guys, a little update here. Change of plans. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this tonight because I feel like I hate my shoe options. You guys, I lied. I think I found the perfect outfit to wear. I really like this jacket with this dress. It's so extra, so unnecessary, but I think it looks so beautiful. I was gonna wear just this dress, which is a beautiful, beautiful dress. This dress is so pretty without anything, but today is so cold, I need a jacket. And I don't have a jacket that will look cute with this outfit, but apparently this jacket literally looks so good with it, so I'm just gonna wear it. Hey Matt, how expensive do you think my jacket is?
$3,000.
No.
$5,000.
No.
$10,000.
Yes.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
No.
And you don't even tell me
Okay.
to dress up super fresh to match you.
I don't know how I feel with the jacket and my hair like this.
Are you kidding me? Look at this queen over here.
So I'm at the premiere for Mary Poppins. Oh my god, they made it look so cute. It's like 2D. Oh my god, how cool. Hi, how are you doing?
So good.
Matthew and I decided to skip the movie and go eat at Subway. So that's what we're doing. $10,000 jacket at Subway.
$10,000 jacket, $5 sub.
Both Matt and I got a tuna sandwich.
Tiffany got me onto tuna at Subway, which I was never about.
It's so good. The jacket is back on, guys. What? Sheila's here! Oh my gosh. Okay. I have a question. Okay, what's the question? How expensive do you think my jacket is? $40. I feel like it's a trick question. Like, it looks super expensive, but it's like inexpensive. It's $10,000. What the? I know! Okay, we're asking Lauren the same question. Oh no. How expensive do you think my jacket is? Girl? 75. Oh my god! That's insane! I'm with Dave here.
Hi everyone!
I have a question for you.
Okay.
How much do you think my jacket costs?
Oh, the jacket? Oh, I've been eyeing it the entire night. I literally keep complimenting it. I want to say at least like $350 minimum. Minimum.
Okay, it's higher.
$700.
Higher.
$1,500.
Higher.
$3,000.
Higher.
$5,000.
Higher.
$10,000.
Yes. But
I own a YSL jacket, so that's why I'm like, oh, I live for this. Cause I'm not as shocked because I own a YSL jacket. But like, no, like you see the quality. But I was like, okay, if she's asking me, it's
I didn't buy it because your girl cannot afford a $10,000 jacket. You look like a bird. We love everything from ASOS.
Everything from ASOS except for the $10,000.
Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day now. Your girl still slept in her makeup. Like, wow, I'm actually shook at how good my makeup looks the next morning. But I just wanted to end the vlog. If you guys like today's vlog, give me a huge thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Also, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram yet, make sure you guys go follow me at MissTiffanyMa. If you guys want to see more photos of me wearing the outfit that I wore during the premiere. Also, I think it was hilarious that I asked all of my friends how much they thought my jacket was, and everyone thought it was a trick question. So everyone was saying like $100, $50. Honestly, if I sell this jacket, I would probably think it's like $200 or $300. That's just because I would never expect someone to spend $10,000 on a jacket. I also don't expect someone to like have real bird feathers or like exotic bird feathers or hand embroidered sequins in the jackets. So I can totally see why all of my friends thought it was $300. Let me know down below if you guys saw this jacket. How much do you think this jacket would cost? Let me know down below. Also, if you guys want this jacket, it's still on liveandjess.com. There's a few left, so go ahead and check it out. Go check out our Cyber Week sale. It ends on Sunday, so go check it out before everything is gone or the sale ends. So it's at liveandjess.com. Use my code Tiffany for 10% off if you guys want like an extra 10% off. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye guys.
Bye.